On question number 10. Number of zeros of px. Okay, how can we find of number of zeros? You have to see the graph px, this curve px, how many times intersect the x-axis. Let us count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 times. The number of zeros are 6. Come on the next. How many number of zeros? 1, 2, 3. Here is 3. It's very easy. Okay. Px equal to ax square plus bx plus c, where a is not equal to 0. The shape of the graph of px, always it is the name of that name is called parabola. Okay. We can say U-shaped graph, that is called parabola. Come on. The next, if alpha and beta are the zeros of px, that is this, then value of 1 upon alpha and 1 upon beta is. Okay, if I take LCM, alpha beta will come. This will be beta plus alpha. What is sum of zeros? Minus b upon a. Product of zeros always c upon a. This is minus b upon c. This is your answer. Okay. The same question, one more question. See here. If one zero of polynomial is given to you of px is this, then what value of k? It means you have to find. You have to put minus 1 by 3 here. Okay. On place of x, then you will get the answer. K minus 1 by 3 square plus 10 minus 1 by 3 plus k is equal to 0. Okay, this is your, I am writing here, this is k upon 9. Minus 3 square is 9, that is k upon 9. Minus 10 upon 3 plus k is equal to 0. I am taking LCM is 9. Okay, then what will come? See here. See k. 3 3s are 9, 30. This is your 9k is equal to 0. Okay. Then see. 0 into 9 is 0. Here 9 plus 1, 10k. Okay, send 30 that side is equal to 30. Clearly, what will be k? K is equal to 30 upon 10. That is 3. 3 is your answer. Very important one it is. Okay, come on the next. If alpha and beta are the zeros of this, then one relation is given. Alpha plus beta is equal to alpha into beta. Then find value of k. What is alpha plus beta? Minus b upon a. Clearly this is your a, this is your b, and this is your c. Minus b upon a, this is minus 2 upon k. And what is this? C upon a, 3k upon k. K to k cut. Okay, then what will come? Minus into minus plus is equal to 3k. What will be k? It is 2 upon 3. This is your answer. Okay, the last question of this, then after the new pattern, the product of zeros of polynomial this, it is given to you. It is given to you 10. Product of zeros are given 10. Then what will be? What is the meaning product of zeros is equal to 10 is this? What is product of zeros? What is product of zeros? C upon A. What is C? K upon A is 2. K upon 2. It is 10. Then K is equal to 20. This is your answer. Yes, come on the next. The sum of the zeros of polynomial is 2. Sum of zeros are 2 means alpha plus beta is equal to 2. Alpha plus beta means sum of zeros equal to minus b upon a is equal to 2. It is given to you. Minus b upon a is equal to 2. See, minus b upon a is equal to 2. Then what will come? See, minus minus plus. This is your 10 is equal to 2k. What is k? 10 upon 2, it is 5. It's very simple. Come on the next. If one zero polynomial is reciprocal to the other, let that one polynomial be alpha. What is its reciprocal? Tell me. The reciprocal of alpha is 1 upon alpha. What they are asking? Both are reciprocal of this, and px is given to you. And what is product of 0? C upon a. 1 0 is alpha, reciprocal is 1 upon alpha. Okay, 2 roots is equal to c upon a, that is equal to c upon a. Alpha to alpha cut. What is c here? Minus k, and a is here 3. Minus k, a is here 3. What will be k? K will be minus 3. This is the answer. Okay, come on. If the graph of polynomial intersect at x-axis at 3 points, the number of zeros will be 3. This is 3. Okay. If alpha and beta are the zeros of this, then find the value of 1 upon alpha and 1 upon beta. Okay. First of all, you put here a, b, and c. Okay. Then take LCM, alpha, beta. This is beta plus alpha. What is sum of zeros? Minus b upon a, minus 3 upon coefficient of this one, and alpha beta c upon a, that is 4 upon 1. Then what is alpha plus beta this? Alpha into beta this. These are very important one.